Hi guys, here at the beautiful Baler. Yeah, matagal na to. Meron din naman matagal. Say about 2 years ago lang. And it was quite some memories to remember. So andito kami sa pinaka ng Baler, no? As you can see, nakasulat pa dyan. Anyway, katatapos na mag-breakfast. At kami tinatagtag lang namin yung tiyan namin para makakain ulit. So, dagdag na rito a few exercises. Okay, these are my common stretching regimen, no? Stretching my legs and the double punch. Ang purpose naman ito is kunyari hinawaan ka sa paa, you can actually have the idea of punching the shoulder of your leg. Alright. And then, cross legs naman. This improves your balance. And, yeah. Pag tinaas mo kasi yung kamay mo, mga effort na pupunta talaga sa legs.
Yan. So, napansin ko lang dito sa ito, hindi ganun karami ang basurahan. Okay, so nakikita nyo naman. Right here.
Thanks.
So, ayan. Medyo So, kailangan lang dagdagan ng street sweeper or something like that. But, that's okay. Now, as for my part, bilang turista, I'll take my effort, at least my share of my clean air, eco-friendly habit. Yun, no? Ito, hindi official na basurahan to, pero pinabricate nila. Just for that. Kasi meron din dun yung meron dong yung tatlo, segregate, only two sa hinaba nito. I think it's about 500 meters, maybe, or even more. Dalawa lang nakita ko, it's yung tatlo. So I think it needs some improvement. So nakikita natin mga turista.
Please pardon the grumpy
Ayan.
old man.
Lalaki sila.
Anyway, mag-enjoy tayo dyan.
Babaybay
And
dagat.
ito may mga turista frolicking in the beach.
Balik. Ito kaya yung mga yan. Tanungin kaya natin. Sige ng kape? Sige. Okay. Thanks.